Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about pagination and sorting. Okay, so in the microservice, how to create a pagination and sorting. Okay, so before that one, please subscribe my channel. Please like and share with others. Okay, so let's start. So when we have to use a pagination and starting, let's take an example. Application is there. So in the website, it has to display a products information. Okay. So there are 1 million products. It is difficult to display, 1 million products in a single page. Okay. So that will be, you know, makes customers uncomfortable in viewing those products in a single page. It should not look better also, right, in perspective of design, uh, with respect to customer view and all those things considering. So you customer want to see products in a page, so it can be like 10 products per page. It is best to display or 20 products based on the information, the size of a products information, those things depend upon those things. So products information can be displayed on a page. So I want to suppose I want to display 10 products per page. Okay, so I can pass page, the page number and number of products you have to display per page. Okay, so for that one we can use pass the page number and size of a number of products to display. Okay, sort by is used when we want to sort based on the some parameters, like suppose product having a name, price. Okay, so we want to sort by name or a price. Okay, so that customer uh, they can sort those values, so that they can select different products based on their requirements. Suppose if customer want to uh, you know uh, buy a product which is having low price. Okay, so they can sort that product based on the price. Okay, so that is also can be done. Okay, so these are the use cases of sort product pagination and sorting. Okay, let's implement how to create a pagination and sorting. Okay, so I have already created a Spring Boot microservice. So it is uh, simple, like go to file, new, and Spring Starter project. Okay, so here you can choose name and all those things, the Java version, everything. Okay, dependency you can create. Okay, so let me take you through pom.xml. So it is having a latest version of Spring Boot, that is 3.22, and Java version is 17 I am using. So it has a Spring Boot starter data JPA for we are connecting to database. So we are using a JPA to connect to perform a operation like CRUD operation, like save, get, all those things, delete. So using a JPA. Okay, starter web, it is we are creating a RESTful service here with the controller having all those methods like pagination. So dev tool is for deploying the application runtime. I am using a S2 database, so which is for storing the products and getting those products. Okay, you can use so whatever database you are using, you can add those dependencies like Oracle, MongoDB, anything. So it is same as all other database. So this is internal database, so that is why I am using, I have not installed other database. So this is simple to work here, so that is why I used S2 database. So I have created a product model. It's a product entity class, so it is having a 3 parameters: id, name, price, name of product and price of product, with the getter, setter method and constructor. Okay, so here id is generated automatically using strategy called generation type identity. So you, while creating a product, we will pass only name and price, so id is generated automatically. Okay, so I have created a 3 classes. Another, so interface called product repository, which is extending JPA repository for the product entity. Okay, so I have created a method called find all, which find all the products from the database, so which takes a pageable object. So I will explain you how to create a pagination from the scratch. Okay, so this is just brief introduction about the different classes. Okay, so controller is having all the methods like getting the products based on page and size. Okay, so save is a method which saves the products. Okay, delete all products, it will delete all the products. Okay, so this is controller, and it is calling a service class called product service. So for all the methods, we have created a methods like getting all the products, which is calling product repository to save the product, to delete the product, to get all the products using a pagination. So first what we can do is, we will only implement pagination. So I will show you how to implement only pagination first, then we can include sort by. Okay, so before that one, I will show you application properties. So I am connecting to S2 database, that is URL, driver name, password and everything. These are the default username passwords. So test DB is a database, so in which I am creating a product table. Okay, to store the products. So let's go to controller. So this same method I am created here to create all the, save all those product which are we are creating, inserting into database, so that we can use those products to get to implement a pagination. Okay, so let's what we can do is, let's create a products. So I have created a product here. So post method is to create a product. So I have added a name and price. So first product I am creating milk, and second product I am creating phone. Price I am passing 20,000. Okay, so it created a one product. So all the products which are already inserted, right, got cleared, because we are using S2 internal database. Once we start the service, restart the service, or do any deployment in between, so it will get clear. But if you are using other Oracle or SQL or MongoDB, that will not happen. That will be stored in the database. So this is S2 is internal, so it will get cleared once we restart the service and all those things. Okay, so for demo purpose I am using a S2 database. So I have inserted a product called phone with a 20,000 price. Let's mobile add another 5 to 6 products. Okay, so cake 100, rice, honey, TV, okay, so bottle, bag. So let insert 3 more products. uh, you can say charger, battery, and let's say jacket. So we have created a 10 products. Okay, so let's try to do the pagination. So we have to pass page number and size of a page products we have to display. Okay, so let me take you through the method what we are doing here first. Okay, so get products, it is a method which gets all the products per page. So default value I am passing 0 and 10, that is first page, and 10 products per first page. If you are not passing any value in the page and size. Okay, so we have to pass page and size to get the products. Okay, it is calling page product service to get all the products. So the response finally is a page with having all the products. Okay, let's go to product service. So product service is creating a pageable object using a page request, and which is taking a page and size parameters. Okay, so whatever page and size parameter we are passing, it gets the products for that particular page. Okay, so it is calling products repository with the find all method where we are passing a pageable object. Okay, let's go to products repository. So this is the method I have told you, so which takes the pageable object and returns all the products for particular page. Okay, so let's test this one. So here we are passing a page equal to 0 and size equal to 5. Okay, this is for first page. Page 0 means first page. If you are want to get the second page products, you can pass page equal to 1. Okay, let's try to hit. So you can see here response, it is giving 5 products till id equal to 5. Okay, so it is having a all the five products for that page, particular first page, and it is having a object called pageable also, which is giving more information about like page number, page size. So first page 0 and page size we have passed 5, right? And sort information also it is giving. So we have not given any sorting, so it is saying unsorted, that is true. Sorted by, that is false, right? So offset is giving 0, paged is correctly true. So total number of elements, so there are 10 products, so it is dividing 10 products by 5 per page. Okay, so total number of pages also it is counted. So size 5, number 0, So all the information it has given, so that these information can be utilized by UI. They can pass the page information and number of products for each page, so that it will call the service to get the number of products for each page. So suppose I want to get the products for second page. Okay, so we have to pass page equal to 1. Okay, so you can see here it is giving 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. Okay, and page information, it is page number 1 and page size equal to 5. Okay, so these are the information we got. So total there are 10 products. In first page we got 5, second page we got 5. Let's try with passing a size equal to 3. You can see here only 3 products are displayed in the result. Okay, so and in the pageable information you can see here page number 0, page size is 3, and number of total pages it gave 4 because it divided each page. So total number of elements by size of page means in one page we are displaying 3 products. Okay, 10 by 3 it is almost 4 page. Okay, so we are going to display 3, 3, 3 and 1 product in the last page. So this information can be used for pagination from the UI. Okay, so we have implemented pagination, right? So let's try to implement sorting. So how can we do that one? So sorting, we have to pass a field on which we have to do sorting. So let me show you. So in the request parameter we have to pass sort by the parameter name. So default I am keeping name as a parameter. If you can see here in the product entity, so we are having 3 parameters, right? I want to sort by name, and we can sort by price also. Okay, by default I am keeping name. If you don't pass anything, it will sort by name only. Okay, if you are using any sorting, so if you pass sort by price, it will sort by price, or if you pass sort by name, it will sort by name. Okay, so we have to pass sort by. So let's go to sort dot by, where we have to pass whatever parameter we got from the request. So which creates a pageable where we are passing page number of products, that is size, and sort by parameter value. Okay, so the pageable object is passed to product repository where it find all the products. So for particular page it displays those number of products sorting by the particular parameter. Okay, so by default sort by is happening ascending order. Okay, ascending So let me uh, show you by testing, okay, how the sorting happens. So actually it restarted the server, right? So all products have gone from the database. So we have to create one more time for demo purpose, for testing purpose here. So let's say, like you can see here content is nothing because all the products are cleared from the database. It is because we are using a internal S2 database, so it clears once service is restarting. So let's create one more time. Let's say, like, we can create 5 products. So I am creating a same 5 products, so same 10 products for testing purpose. So you can see here id 10, total 10 products are created with the name and pricing. Okay. Okay. No, not let's create a unique products with unique price only, because we want to demonstrate sorting, right? That will be required a data with correct values. Okay. So now there are no content. Okay, let's create one by one. So let's say jacket. So we have inserted one product with jacket, price 500. So mobile. So we need a proper product details, so that it will be helpful for us to do a pagination and sorting. TV, price, few thousand. And we will insert one more product. Lastly, can say bag. Okay, 1500. So we have inserted 7 products. Let's test this. Okay, so we have to pass sort by and parameter. Say, let's say name. Based on the name, we are going to sort and get the number of so 5 products per for first page. Okay, let's test this one. So you can see here, so it is displaying id 7, id 5, id 1, id 2, id 4. Since it is not giving 1 2 3 4 5, because we are sorting by name, so it sorted the all the products based on the name. So B come first, that is why it given bag, and then bottle, then jacket, then mobile, then rice. So it sorted based on the name. So the products are with the id 756. Okay, so these are we have already explained you pageable object, so it gives all the information. Here you can see sorted equal to true, it gave, because we are passing sorting by. Okay, so we will display page 1, that is so boolean flag. Suppose by default it sorts based on the ascending order. Okay, so let's sort by descending order. Okay, so we have to pass a flag called descending. Okay, so we have to create a object called sort in the product service. So here we have passed parameter, boolean parameter descending. So you can see here we have created a object called sort. So it checks whether descending is true or not. If descending is true, then we are making that particular sorting parameter, that is name or price, so that is descending order. Okay, so otherwise it will use normal ascending only. Okay, so let's test how to do the sorting by ascending or descending. So it has refreshed the service. Let's create a products one by one. So we have created a bag, jacket equal to 3000 and mobile 10,000, TV 20,000 and charger 500 and pocket 300. So we have inserted 5 products. Okay, let's test sort by name, and another parameter we have to pass, that is a boolean value called descending. Equal to true. So let's test. You can see here it. So page 0, that is first page, and size equal to 4 products per page, and sort by name descending true. Okay, we have passed in the request. So it is giving 4632 product. Okay, so it is descending in the pricing. Okay, order. So no, not with descending. We have passed the name as a sort by rate, so it gave descending order. So T comes first as a product because it is descending order, right? So it consider T as a descending order in the first. So after that P, M, then J. So let's go to another page. you can see here 5 1, so C B. So these are the descending, alphabetically descending order came. Okay. So you can see all this pageable information also. So alphabetically it is descending order for the name. Okay. Usually in the ascending order, it bag will be the first, then C, B, C, F, like that. A B C D you can see, right? So bag will be first, then charger. But here if you are providing descending order, you got 2, right? So bag came last. So this is how we do the pagination and sorting. Okay, thank you so much.